using the camera of the device to see my world around me, and then the software of the application is putting these augmented elements in my view. So for $49.99, we're offering a role-play mask, a set of augmented reality goggles, our augment reality gauntlet, which you put on your hand like this, 3 AR markers, which I currently have 2 of them on the floor. All that's $49.99. That allows you to set up, actually become Iron Man, see what Iron Man sees, battle like Iron Man does, and save the planet like Iron Man has in all his movies. So as in Iron Man's movies, you see him put his helmet on, you see the heads-up display come on. For us, it's a natural fit to apply the augmented reality technology that we've developed here with this character. It's almost a given. So it's very easy to set up. You download the free app, you launch the app, you slide your phone device into the goggles. The goggles fit very easily. It's a very easy snap mechanic into the mask. You get that. Got it. Very easy for 8-year-olds to do. Put the mask on your head, and you become Iron Man. You target your enemies. You raise your hand. Your hand gets covered in Iron Man's armor, and you fire Iron Man's weapons.
Do you want me to fall down or anything?
You're welcome to if you feel like.
So you're actually looking, you can see me.
Correct.
Even though I can't see your eyes.
Correct. I'm using the camera of the device to see my world around me, and then the software of the application is putting these augmented elements in my view. It's covering my hand with Iron Man's armor and making me look like Iron Man, allowing me to defend myself as well as attack Iron Man's enemies and defend the cities that are floating in front of me. And the shield helicarrier down there.
And the fact that I just took your wallet, you don't even know that.
Considering my wallet's right here, that's going to be a tough act.
Oh, I had to try. So you're seeing, there's definitely AR elements that are triggered by the targets, correct?
Correct.
And you're using this is either Apple or Android?
Both. It's both devices, both iOS's.
I think you did a splendid job, and here's a round of applause. Thank you very much.